Okay, so there's my butternut squash climbing up the trellis really nicely, and I've got my royal burgundy beans, a couple rows of that, my chamomile plant, love it, beautiful peas. Back over here, I did some trimming, so these are my Manitobans. These are very small because I kind of accidentally topped it, so my bad. And then we've got some Roma cherry, black creme, I believe, and another Manitoban. And of course, my smallish ground cherry. I got my kale. And here is another ground cherry, and ground cherry. Of course, I've got my cosmos, which is nice. I love it. And then over here, I have my little bird bath. Beautiful, beautiful borage plant, along with some zinnias. And my lettuce, my leaf lettuce. Thyme and parsley. And my nice little teepee. I love it. This is going wild. This is my silver slicer cucumbers. My thyme and more parsley. And then over here I have my comfrey plant. And some more cosmos hidden under there. My leeks are going crazy. This is the first year I've actually grown leeks in their own bed. I underplanted last year and didn't do too well, so paired them up with carrots. These are tenderlongs and nanties. Hopefully that'll produce some good long roots. My newest addition is another little bird, bee bath, butterfly, whatever. I've even had bunnies coming here. My chive. I have 3 pepper plants. I don't have much success with peppers, so I don't know. For some reason, they don't like me. And here I've got my English long cucumbers with the odd potato plant. And yeah, I've got some broccoli. More broccoli. But I also have potatoes, which I probably didn't dig up everything last year. So hopefully this will be. And then one bolted this year, my broccoli. Holy smokes. So I figured I'd let it go to seed. It's an heirloom, so what the heck. And of course my asparagus bed, doing really well. Picked a few this year, but no, next year it'll be even better. I didn't want to do too much this year. Here I've got my potato plants, and I see these are Norland, and they're starting to slowly die back. And then behind is my Yukon Gold. More chamomile. I'm going absolutely bananas for this. This is a snowball melon. It's a honeydew of some sort, and but they're more of a white flesh than the traditional lime green. And of course I've got some onions, not much. I never have much luck with onions either, but this sucker's going really crazy, which is good. And I've got beets. I got Ruby Queen and the red Detroit ones. And then my cauliflower. Like, I'm still looking. Every day I'm looking for new, see whether or not I've got any kind of heads forming. And this morning I happened, which one is it? Is it this one? I think so. You can see it. The head's finally starting to form, and I'm so excited. So that's my garden. That is my garden. I mean, everything is just like a jungle, but this is what it's like to grow. And this is why I grow, because I love it. I love growing.